Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are listening from. Welcome to our YouTube channel. A quick disclaimer before we proceed. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything said in this video is based on my own and my own observation alone. So you should trade responsibly. So a quick one. Compliment of the season to every one of us. And may the coming year be a prosperous year for every one of us. Now let's quickly review what we checked on the market as of last week. As of last week, I said the fair value gap here, the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here is what we'll be looking at. And as you can see, the market has traded to that level and through it. Also, I said at worst, I expected the market to visit the consequent encroachment of this place here, the same place we saw on the monthly chart. Let's see. So the consequent encroachment of this week, oh, the consequent encroachment of this week here is what we are looking at, and the candle formed on the 3rd of July 2023. So as you can see, the market has successfully traded to that level. So the next level I'm looking at will be here, will be the low of this candle, the same candle of on the 3rd July 2023. So we're expecting the low to be attacked. We're expecting the low to be attacked in the coming year. So that is that on our baseline. What's our baseline? Our baseline is the dollar index. The dollar index is the baseline. So personally, I'll request a clearer picture from the market before I could engage, because there is an holiday. There's an holiday on I think first or second of the year. Let's see. We have holiday. Let's see what the holiday looks like. But I think there'll be holiday on Monday and Tuesday. So there is Monday, and throughout Monday and partially on Tuesday. We have news on Tuesday, but it's a low impact news. We have medium and high impact news on Wednesday. So I'm expecting to work with that Wednesday personally. So let's quickly switch to what we see on Euro USD. Euro USD 5 hour. Okay. last week, just last week, I said the market will attack the week, this same week here, this same week here, 1.11328. So I said at least the market will visit that level. That is our another objective. And the long-term objective for Euro USDC remain the buy side above here, above this level, the buy side above this level here. So we're expecting the market to visit that level, which is the high that formed on the 17th of July. So we are still expecting the market to deliver that way till we are proved otherwise. So I'm still bullish on Euro USD until the market shows something else, since we are entering another year, another calendar year. So the candle here is the same thing on the 3rd of July 2023, which is an opposite of what we see on our dollar index. We are expecting a low to be attacked on dollar index, which is the low that formed on the 3rd of July 2023. It's the same area watching here. So that is that. Then let's go to our Nasdaq. Every level we are anticipating here. Also, I said I expect the market to take the previous week's high, which is this here. The previous week high here. Oh, I'm doing this from a phone, man. The previous week high here. So that week, um, the high of that formed on the 18th of December 2023. So that was what I was expecting the market to take the previous week. So, and it has happened, but personally, I can't really say this is the next level we are going for now. I don't really know, but I will favor a visit. I will favor a visit towards the eye of this buy side liquidity. I will prefer a movement downward towards that level. Then we know if we can still move up. Why I supported that level was that there is a fair value gap here. There is a fair value gap that falls around here. So that is a fair value gap, which is the low of this candle and the high of this candle here. So there is a gap between them. So I expected the market to visit that level coming week. Yeah, that's my view on that. Then we go to S&P 500. S&P 500. As of last week, S&P 500 had not delivered to where others had delivered to. So S&P 500 is yet to attack its own buy-side liquidity pool, though it expanded higher, but it has not gotten to that level. So, which means it also takes it also takes the high of this candle, which is the previous week's candle, and successfully it forms a little fair value gap here. It forms a little fair value gap here. A little fair value gap here. So we're expecting the market to visit that fair value gap, if at all we are still going to. But I believe personally, S&P 500 will definitely, quote it, definitely take away this buy side liquidity here. Then let's go to Dow. Dow futures. Dow. I also prognosticate Dow will take a previous week's high from my last video. I said it will take the previous week's high, which is it has done that successfully. It has taken that high out on the 18th, December 18th. So, but intraday trading, you can see I marked. Let me show you why I marked the 1 hour consequence encroachment. Where it was projected from. It was projected from here. It was projected. That is an intraday trading. So it was projected from here. So the market take out the low on the 18th of December, the 10 a.m. candle New York time. It traded through it, then it go far above before it slams due to holiday. So movements like this are prone to happen during during holidays, but that does not mean the market would not deliver what it ought to deliver. So then a quick one on gold. Personally, I'm not interested in gold for now. I'm not interested in gold as at of this moment. But I said it in the last video. Go and watch it. I mentioned the market will take the previous week's high, and if willing to go up, it shouldn't go beyond the midpoint of this week here, the December 4th candle. So the midpoint here of that candle, just put your finger around through it. So that is that on good as well. So it has taken the high, the previous week's high. So coming down here, I'm not interested in good as of now. So I don't have enough opinion or enough update on it, because I'm not seeing what I want. It's not really giving me what I want, what I expected. So that is why I stayed away from it. So I think that will be all for tonight. Have a lovely year ahead and trade responsibly. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.